Hi friends, welcome on YourPedia, and this video is related to General Studies part of Coal India Limited. So we are expecting exam of Coal India after, till 11th of June you have application deadline. We'll be completing first week of June this entire non-technical part, this aptitude, general awareness, general knowledge, reasoning and English part. So 100 marks are going to come from here. If we see previous year paper of Coal India, then analysis can be made very effective from where questions come and what you have to prepare, and YourPedia team is doing the same. But this video is related to one such important topic in general awareness, which is financial institutions, finance institutes in India, globally reputed finance institutes. What is their structure, what is the full form of these institutes, and when these were created, where the head office is, those kind of questions. So this lecture will be largely on the basis of the previous year questions of Coal India, and please take this document and start preparing with the mentors of YourPedia, because the mantra to selection is through non-technical paper, 100 marks. You can easily score more than 20 in general awareness, general knowledge. Similarly, you can score more than 20 in aptitude, in reasoning and English also. That means you can score more than 80 out of 100. So 12th May the notification came, and till 11th June the notification is there. You can fill the form. Age is 30 years. First time that public sector Maharatna company is permitting this much of age, so you can apply till this particular age. So if you are working professional, and wonderful opportunity for you. And see the number of seats: electrical 221, civil 178, mechanical 145, and the best thing is no interview. That means whosoever will score good in CBT will pass it. Now this paper 1, paper 2. So if you can see paper 1, only 4 components are there: reasoning is there, aptitude is there, English is there, and general knowledge, general awareness is there. Now mentors are confident. Manpreet ma'am is going to take general awareness, general aptitude for you, and Shubha ma'am is going to take English for you. I am going to take general awareness and general knowledge for you. So you can score more than 80 out of this 100 marks in this particular paper. So now detailed syllabus of this particular part. If you do the general awareness this analysis of this, you will find that this is the kind of weightage you can expect from general awareness part, and this is detailed syllabus of each topic. Though syllabus is not released, but you can see this is the detailed syllabus. So economy and finance, and today our lecture is related to financial institution. So what I will do, I will first show you the previous year questions asked in 2017-2020, and then we do the topic. So what is the full form of CIDB? That kind of question, right? So CIDB is basically the financial institute for the promotion of MSMEs. So full form of CIDB, full form of IDBI, full form of ICICI. So those kind of questions have been asked. And what is IDBI in IDBI Bank? So full form of that. What is ICICI in ICICI Bank? So that means full name can be asked. And also who is the chief of particular international body, or who is the president or chief managing director of particular company. So these were the questions asked in 2 papers of 2017 and 2020 related to this particular domain. Now that gives us an idea like where to put effort, what to prepare. I am giving you table which can be easy to revise, easy to remember, and preparation should be very focused, tailor made. That means Coal India Limited. So what is going to be asked in general knowledge, general awareness, you should prepare that only. So now financial institutions, RBI, what is the full form, when was it established, and what is the main function of that. Who is the chief of RBI, that also we will discuss lower. The names are provided to you. CIDB, what is the full form, when was it created, and what is the main function. IDBI full form, ICICI full form, IFCI. So these are the institute, friends, like NABARD. Next time we can ask you what is the full form of NABARD, when was it created. EXIM, what is the full form of that, and PFRDA or NPCI, very famous organization. National UPI, we talk about National Payment Corporation of India. So you have to do the names, the question related to names. I mean, what is the name of particular organization, what do you understand by that, and what is the main function of that. So friends, you have to revise that, and this document I am sharing in all your Coal India Limited WhatsApp groups. the link of which is attached with my this video. You can watch that and you can enter into that WhatsApp group, and we'll be sharing this content with all of you. So the full forms of particular organization which you should be aware. Similarly, International Financial Institution, IMF, World Bank, both are called Bretton Woods twins sisters. Washington DC is the headquarter. Asian Development Bank, Philippines, Manila is the headquarter. That question can be asked. Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, Beijing. New Development Bank, Shanghai, and it is BRICS, the name of 5 emerging countries: Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. That is BRICS. So fastest growing economies in the world, right? And BRICS was created, as counterweight to G7. G7 is the industrially developed nations. So BRICS is basically a sort of largest developing countries, like Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. So National Development Bank in Shanghai supports that. WTO, World Trade Organization in Geneva. And then there are some industry or business bodies like FICCI, CII, ASSOCHAM, NASSOCHAM, PhDCCI, PhD Chambers of Commerce and Industries. So these names are very important. So full form names question have been asked. So please revise this. What is the full form of these organizations, these financial organizations, and you should have some idea about these financial organizations. As I told you that if you divide your entire preparation into categories, कि मेरे को जो तैयारी करनी है वो कैसे कैसे करनी है, कौन से पार्ट्स में उसको तोड़ना है. If you divide your preparation into categories, then it will be very easy for you to focus your preparation on particular exam, and your preparation can be very good. And after that, what we do lot of questions, objective questions, so that we prepare very effectively for that exam. Like current governor of RBI, who is the current governor of Reserve Bank of India. So it is a central bank in India, monetary policy and banking regulation. So recently, this Sanjay Malhotra is the governor of Reserve Bank of India. Chairman of SEBI, so Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Security and Capital Market, it is the regulatory body for that. Chairperson of Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority, PFRDA. So Raman, Shiva Subramaniam Raman. Chairperson of IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, Ajay Seth. Ravi Mittal, Chairperson of Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India. Manoj Mittal is the CMD of SIDBI, right? Chairman of NABARD. So full form we already have done. Now who are the chairperson? So that question can be asked, like full form, chairperson, and where is the head office. So revise that, friends. And as I told you, this is the best way to prepare for a particular exam on the basis of the previous year questions which are asked. Harsh Bangari, Exim Bank. ICICI, Sandeep Bakshi. Dilip SB, NPCI, payment systems like UPI, RuPay. So the body which operates these. International Monetary Fund, MD, Kristalina Georgieva. Global Monetary Stability, International Financial Cooperation, that is the work of IMF. So you should know what is World Bank, what is IMF. These are called Bretton Woods twin sisters. Current President of World Bank, Ajay Banga. Masato Kanda, so President of Asian Development Bank. Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, current President Zhou Ziyai. Dilma Rousseff, New Development Bank. New Development Bank was established by BRICS nations. I told you BRICS nation, thus significance of BRICS nation also. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, Director General of World Trade Organization. So the main objective of World Trade Organization, she is the first woman and first African to be chief of World Trade Organization. The main objective of World Trade Organization is to basically make free and fair trade, international trade possible. I mean between developed countries, developing countries, to make the trades free and fair. So organizations and who is the chief of this, very important information. So किसी financial organization का chief कौन है, उनका नाम, that is the important. So SIDBI की full form क्या है और when was it created? IDBI full form क्या है and when was it created? ICICI का full form, that was asked in question also. IFCI, when was it created? What is this is the first, India's first development finance institute. So the significance of IFCI and Industrial Finance Corporation of India, when was it created? Very old organization. What does NABARD stand for? So रूरल प्रॉस्पेरिटी के लिए और एग्रीकल्चर क्रेडिट सपोर्ट देता है नाबार्ड. एग्जिम बैंक फैसिलिटेट इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड एंड एक्सपोर्ट फाइनेंसिंग. सेबी सिक्योरिटी एंड एक्सचेंज बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया. So it protects the interest of the investor in India's capital market, stock exchange. PFRDA stands for Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. IRDAI stands for, it regulates and promotes insurance industry in India. NPCI stands for what? Basically it operates India's digital payment system. Today we talk about RuPay, UPI. So this entire thing is operating India's digital payment system. So what does IMF stand for? It is headquartered in DC, Washington DC, and it ensures global monetary stability. What is the full form of ADB? Asian Development Bank is headquartered in Manila, and it provides the development financing and regional cooperation in Asia. What is AIIB full form? AIIB is headquartered in Beijing, and it finances the infrastructure project across Asia and even beyond. So it is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. As the name shows, infrastructure project को support करना. Headquarter is in Beijing. What is BIS? Bureau of International Stability, not Bureau of Indian Standard, that is also BIS. But यहाँ पे ये इंटरनेशनल स्टेबिलिटी करके भी बॉडी है, एंड बेसल में इसका हेडक्वार्टर है. Central banks globally. So BIS is also Bureau of Indian Standards, but it is bureau. It's a bank. Sorry, it's not bureau. It is bank for international settlement. It's not Bureau of International Stability. It is a bank for international settlement. WTO, World Trade Organization in Geneva, Switzerland. FICCI. So Federation for Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industries, oldest and largest industry association. So Confederation of Indian Industries. तो ये full forms से related question, friends. You can expect questions related to full forms of all these organizations. Then headquarters, World Bank का headquarter, IMF headquarter in Washington, both of these organizations. United Nations headquarter is in New York. WTO headquarter Switzerland, Geneva. Asian Development Bank headquarter in Manila, Philippines. Reserve Bank of India, Mumbai. European Central Bank, Frankfurt. Right, so institutes and where their headquarters are located. Right, so this was the document, friends, related to Finance Institute. And as I told you in the beginning, if you are preparing for some exam focus your preparation for that exam only. Coal India Limited has particular requirement, and on the basis of previous year question you should know what that requirement is. Then only with the less effort, minimum effort, you can score more. So out of 25, if you want to score 20 in general knowledge, general awareness, the preparation has to be very focused, and that is what exactly we have to do it. All the very best. Keep watching YourPedia.